Good morning student. Today we will solve a worksheet second of your practice for half yearly exam. See, in this worksheet you already have on your WhatsApp group. Now see the solution of this. Your question number first is, if 9x plus 4 is equal to 31. Your question number first is, if 9x plus 4 is equal to 31. Then x equals, find the value of x. 9x plus 4 is equal to 31. See, we can use transpose method, or you can use by mentally or general method. I am using the transposing method here. Here see, variable exists with this number, and here only plus 4, constant, here also constant. It means when you transpose it to the right hand side, the sign will change into the minus. Then it becomes 9x is equal to 11 minus 4, 7, 27. Then x, here x is in, 9 is in multiplication. Then when you change the side, it will come in division. Then it becomes 3. It means x is equal to 3. So your option C is correct for this. Then write down option C is correct. Next question. Question number second. The value of p for which the expressions p minus 15 is equal to 13 minus 6p. p minus 15 is equal to 13 minus 6p. In this expression, find out the value of p. See here. Here we have same variable, like terms. Here p and this side also p. And these are like variables, 15 and 13, both are constant. So what we will do, we will shift the like terms on one side. Minus 6p, when you change on this sign, then the sign will be changed into the positive. So it becomes p minus 15 plus 6p is equal to 13. Like terms, you can add it 6p. Nothing is here, it means it is 1p. So 6 plus 1, 7, that becomes 7p. Minus 15 is equal to 13. 7p is equal to, now this is constant term. When you change the side, it becomes 13 plus 15, that is 7p is equal to 28. Now p becomes 28 divided by 7, because 7 is in multiplication here. When you change the side, it will come in division. 28 by 7 is equal to 4. Then what is the value of p? 4 here. It means your option B is correct. So we write down option B is correct. Now see the next one. Question number 3rd. If x upon minus 2 is equal to 1, x upon minus 2 is equal to 1, then find the sum of the values. Sum of the values 3x plus 4 and x plus 5. One condition is given to you, x upon minus 2 is equal to 1, then find this sum of this value. You have two methods for it. Firstly, from this, minus 2 is in division. So, for finding the value, firstly do multiplication. Then x becomes minus 2. Now put the value of x in this expression, that is 3x plus 4 is equal to 3. What is the value of x? Minus 2 plus 4 minus 6 plus 4, then answer is minus 2. In this x plus 5, put the value of x, that is minus 2 plus 5, that becomes 3. We need sum of these two, then take sum of minus 2 and 3 is equal to minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. It means our answer is 1. Which option is correct? Your option D is correct in this. See question number 4. The equation having the root minus 5 is, some equations given to you. First equation is 5t minus 15 is equal to minus 10. Second equation, a upon 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. C option, 3n plus 2 is equal to 21. And D option, 7x minus 18 is equal to x plus 12. We have to tell that from these options which one have the root minus 5. किसका root minus 5 है? So try to solve it. It becomes 5t is equal to minus 10 plus 15. 5t is equal to 5. T is equal to 1. So this one option is not correct. Second C. A upon 5 is plus 3 is equal to 2. Do transpose firstly. This one 2 plus change into minus 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 1. Now do transpose it. A is equal to minus 1 into 5 becomes minus 5. That is A is equal to minus 5. And we need the root as minus 5. It means directly we can say that this option is correct. There is no need to check now these options because we already find out our answer. We can say that option B is correct for this question. Next question. The sum of two consecutive number is minus 27. Sum of two consecutive number is equal to minus 27. Find the number. So let two numbers are, two consecutive numbers क्या होते हैं? जो continuity में होते हैं. Means if one number is 1, then second one 2. If one number is 5, second one 6. It means if we are taking one number x, then second one becomes x plus 1. Sum of two consecutive number. It means according to question, x and x plus 1 becomes minus 27. X plus x become 2x plus 1 is equal to minus 27. 2x is equal to minus 27 plus, minus 1. This plus 1 change into minus 1. 2x becomes minus 28. Then x becomes minus 28 by 2 is equal to minus 14. This one number is minus 14. It means x value minus 14. Then x plus 1 become minus 14 plus 1, that is minus 13. Or you can check it that sum of these two number is minus 27. Next, see now. Solve the equation 2x plus 3, 2 in bracket x plus 3 minus 3x is equal to 8 minus 2 multiplied by 2x minus 5. How to solve it? Firstly solve the bracket. 2 when you do multiply, you have to multiply firstly 2 into x. This sign is plus, then 2 into 3, 6 minus 3x is equal to 8 minus 2 into 2x. This minus plus minus 2 to the 4x minus minus plus, then 2 5 the 10. See the sign also properly. Now see these two like term, 2x minus 3x, it becomes minus x plus 6 is equal to 8 or 10 like terms, then 8 plus 10, 18 minus 4x. Like terms to take together, this minus 4x when you change the side, change into plus 4x, 18. This plus 6 when you change the side, this become minus 6. Minus x plus minus 4x, it means 3x is equal to 12. Then x is equal to 12 divided by 3 becomes 4. Then what is the value of x? X value becomes 4. Next question, see. The product of three integers is minus 600. If two of them are minus 15 and 10, find the third integer. Product of three integers. It means three integers है जिनका multiplication equal है minus 600 के. Two integers given है. Two integers are minus 15 and 10. We don't know about the third integer. Let third integer x. Then according to question, minus 15 into 10 into x is equal to minus 600. This one, it becomes minus 150x is equal to minus 600. Minus to minus cancel out. Then x is equal to 600 divided by 150. 15 4s are 60. It means answer x is equal to 4. Question number 9. A number decreased by 4. Ninth, a number decreased by fourth. A number decreased by 4 is equal to minus 6. Find the number. We don't know about the number. So write down, let number is equal to x. X decreased by, it means we have to do something subtraction 4. It means 4 minus x is equal to minus 6. 4 से डिक्रीज हो रहा है, कोई भी नंबर है, सॉरी, x minus 4 is equal to minus 6. Then x is equal to minus 6 plus 4 is equal to minus 2. It means this number is minus 2. Next, see. The teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is 3 times the lowest class. Highest mark is equal to 3 times the lowest marks minus 7. If highest marks are 86, then find the lowest mark. 86, let lowest marks is equal to x. Then 86 is equal to 3 into x minus 7. Now see, this minus 7 we can change here. Then 86 plus 7, 93 is equal to 3x. then 93 upon 3 is equal to x, that is 31. It means lowest mark is equal to 31. Now see the last one question. Question number 10, first part. 7 plus 5x minus 3x is equal to 21. 7 plus, when you solve it, it becomes 2x is equal to 21. 2x is equal to 21. This 7, when you change the side, minus 7. X is equal to 14 by 2 is equal to 7. So this time we can find out the value of x. Next equation, 5 into, second part, 5 into 6x plus 1 is equal to 3 into minus 8 plus x plus 2. Then see here, 5 into 6, 30x plus 5 ones are 5. 3 into minus 8, 24 plus 3 into x, 3x plus 2. 30x plus 5 is equal to, like terms, we can solve it. This is like term to it, transpose it, minus 3x, this one like terms, transpose it. 27x is equal to minus 27. Then x become minus 27 upon 27, that is equal to minus 1. So now your worksheet second completed. Do try and revise it properly. Prepare for your half yearly exam properly. Okay student, thank you. Have a nice day.